So we did replace the weather motor, which like exhaust fan, whatever you call it, and we checked all the drains, pipes to make sure nothing blockage or nothing that can happen to make the water going inside the exhaust fan or accumulated here as well. So everything been checked, all the pipes, boxes, exhaust, and it's working very smooth. But let's see what happens. So I'm gonna sit here another 10-15 minutes to see the drain is going from here. And then right now we are at at 70%, and we have another stage to go up for 100%, although it's gonna take a lot of time. So basically what was happening, we came here, there was water inside the exhaust fan, it was making noises, so we replaced the exhaust fan for just a safety reason. Then we cleaned all the pipes, all the tubes, and we make sure the water is going easy, and that's all. So we are sitting here waiting to see what is the next. So that's all.